In today's video we will discuss the top 10 Scotty Kilmer car brands, the 5 worst and the 5 best. Please make sure you subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. New videos release every Monday through Friday. Let us see who Scotty ranks as the best and worst cars to drive. Number 5. Dodge Chrysler. This has been a long and painful descent into terrible. Even back when Chrysler was all-American back in the 1980s, their cars were unreliable, rusted out, and just plain cheap. Now that they are owned by Fiat, the transmissions, engines, and tech systems are the same as the worst-selling brand in the United States. Poor reliability at a not-so-great price. Number 4. All GM brands. This includes GMC, Chevrolet, Cadillac, and Buick. The reliability is just not there. Most of the cars are now built outside of the States and the quality continues to be missing. It doesn't matter what badge is on the fender, all GM cars use the same frame, engines, transmissions, and infotainment centers. Number 3. Nissan post 2006. Back in the heyday, the Nissan and Datsun brands produced some fun and reliable vehicles at an affordable price. Since they were bought out by Renault in 2006, overall quality took a nosedive. Yes, you pay less, but that is in exchange for bad engines, rusting frames, terrible transmissions, and cheap finishes. Number 2. Kia. This South Korean automotive manufacturer is dedicated to delivering affordable cars. That does not mean that they will run forever, or even that long. Do not expect to get more than 6 or 8 years or 100,000 miles out of a brand new Kia. Cheap materials simply mean that these cars are just not built to last 10 to 20 years. Number 1. Mitsubishi. You don't see too many Mitsubishi cars on the road, and there is a really good reason. They are cheaply made, burn a lot of oil, have a poor engine design, and it is hard and expensive to get parts. There is no good reason to make this your new car choice. These are the top 5 Scotty Kilmer car brands you should buy. Number 5. Subaru. If you are looking for an SUV with a near bulletproof engine and incredibly reliable all-wheel drive, Subaru is a great choice. Their cars are not flashy but are ready to roll over snow-covered roads without blinking. Sizes range from fun rally-type sports cars to 3-row SUVs. Number 4. Mazda. Yes, the Mazda Miata ticks all the boxes when you want a fun convertible that is not overloaded on horsepower or push-button extras. Intuitive design turns most of their vehicles into rides that put a smile on the driver's face. They are fairly reliable, not overly expensive, and look pretty good, too. Number 3. Ford. How did Ford end up near the top of Scotty's list? Because they are really good at building trucks. Now that they have stopped making most of their sedans and sports cars, their expertise shines through by producing rugged and versatile rides that last. Number 2. Honda. If you want to buy a car that has an engine that is just about perfect in design and production, Honda is your brand. No other engine is as reliable. The interior features and less impressive transmission step Honda back from the top of the list. But you won't be disappointed if you take one home from the dealer. Pro tip: stay away from the turbocharged engines for right now. Number 1. Toyota. It doesn't matter if you are looking at a Prius or RAV4 or even a Tundra, your Toyota will just keep running and running. This brand has the best resale value on the market because of its dependability. You can find a Toyota that has just the bare bones or all the luxury upgrades. Sports car, SUV, pickup, or a compact commuter sedan, everything is possible. Please comment below, what is your favorite car brand? Do you agree with Scotty Kilmer's list? Do not forget to subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. And new episodes release every Monday through Friday.